I believe in the things you do.
From the title, you guys already know what I'm gonna show you guys in this video. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to rock the highlighter games like glowing as a goddess with only drugstore highlighter. First of all, I want to introduce you with the highlighter that I always use, and I mean like I own a few other high-end highlighter, but I don't really normally go there and then use them. This is the brand that you almost seen everywhere on my Instagram. Wow, they are Obsessive Makeup highlighter. They are really amazing. Here they are. On my eyes today, I use also Obsessive Makeup, and this video gonna live before this highlighter games, and so please don't forget to watch it, and I will link the video in the end of this video. So the brush I use is normally is like this. This brush is really cheap, like I got it a long time ago, like 2 years ago, and I don't remember. Oh, okay, they have the names in here. It's like use spicy, but you know what? You don't really have to find this brush. You can use any brush that you can. So the color that I normally use is this one and this one. Circular motion in both of the color, like that. And then take the brush and go from here and drag it to here. You already can see I haven't blended anything and it's already look amazing, but do not keep your highlight like that. You have to blend them out. So I will do like a small motion that blend them out, and then I just go in here to my forehead. After that, I use another brush. It's for Morphe. This one is like a fun brush, and I'm going to dust this off around, so make it less. Go back again, do the same thing. You can see like your cheek is glowing, my cheek is glowing, but it's not done yet. Now I'm going to take this cream, this highlight cream. You can see it's look really pretty, and I'm gonna dab it in here. You might think like, oh my god, this is gonna be crazy because nobody does this, but I does. So I would dab it into the place that I already placed my highlight. Yeah. Then I go back with the palette and use this color right here. And you can see now you glow like a god. Anyway, two color that I use mostly from them is highlighter H112 lighting, highlighter S101 moon favorite, but sometimes I go with mixing with this one, and sometimes yeah for friends, because I have like a few friends. They are really dark color skin, so I use this color, and sometimes I do use it for myself, but only for glowing like from the neck and to my shoulder. Now for the part that I need to apply it under my eyebrow, and I'm going to use only this color. And use the same color for my eye corner. Now I'm just gonna use this pointy head here. Do not use it side because I'm gonna apply it into my nose. So what I do is in here of my nose. So the nose bridge is from here to here. So I'm normally apply in the middle a little bit, so to make the nose highlight games pop up, and then a little bit into the tip of my nose. Yeah, like that. Upper of my lips. My chin. You can see the competition of this side of my face and this side. Glow like a god. Anyway, now I need to put on some lashes and then put on this side of the highlighter, and I'm gonna be back. Hey guys! Well, that's it for the tutorial that I made for you how to rock your highlight game with only using drugstore highlight. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys do like it, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Oh, wait a second. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram also, and I post every day. Baby, I post every day. Yeah. please don't forget that check out my brand, and they came out with a new collection of jewelry. They also still having 23% off at the moment. Just click the link, I will link on my bio down there, you know, down there, yeah. I will hope to see you guys in the next video.